Welcome to the project demonstration of vehicle to grid bidirectional energy transfer. So the main purpose of this project is, so this version is mainly we are developing for the project which is used to transfer the power between the grid and as well as the vehicle. So here you can see the vehicle. So means that when EV get power supply from the grid, and whenever we want to utilize the power from the vehicle to grid, then directly we can select the mode here in the microcontroller switch. Then the microcontroller will provide the power supply from the vehicle to the grid and through this bidirectional converter, and then the power will be getting the vehicle and the battery pack here of the vehicle and vehicle to the grid through this H bridge we are using here to convert the 12 volts of DC into 230 volts of AC with the help of this bridge rectifier. And whenever we want to utilize the vehicle, then we need to on this change the mode, and when we change the mode, the vehicle gets on position. So the component here we are using the two LED buttons first for showing whether grid is activated or the vehicle is activated, and we are using H bridge circuit, PIC microcontroller, MOSFET board to run the vehicle, and we are using the step up transformer, so it will take 12 volts to 230 volts, and we are using step down transformer which takes 230 volts to 12 volts, and we are using this circuit board. So this circuit board is mainly act as the switching purpose. So whenever we change the modes, then this MOSFET board will be switched, and if we want on the grid section, then it will switch to the grid section and send the power supply. And whenever we want to change the vehicle, then we need to on the push button. From this push button, this switch gets off and the vehicle switch gets on. So and charging circuit board 230 volts of AC bulb, and we are using 12 volts 3 ampere of battery pack. So coming to the battery pack, so each battery consists of 4 volts 1.5 ampere. So these 3 batteries are connected in series, and these 3 batteries are connected in series, so it becomes 12 volt 3 ampere battery pack. From this 12 volt 3 ampere battery pack, we are giving to the MOSFET circuit board. From this MOSFET circuit board, with the switching section, we can it is giving power supply to the H bridge and as well as the another MOSFET board to run the vehicle. So to charge the batteries, we are using the step down transformer. So this step down transformer will take 230 volts of AC power supply and produce 12 volts of AC power supply. From the 12 volts of AC power supply, we are giving to the charging circuit board. So in the charging circuit board, the 12 volts of AC will become 12 volts of DC with the help of this rectification. From that rectification, then it goes to the filtration. So in the filtration, it will remove the pulsating DC and provide us a pure DC. From this pure DC, we are going to charge the batteries. So keep the charging circuit for the batteries, whether you use or not in the batteries are not in the use. Keep charging at least of 3 to 4 hours. After that, just remove the charging circuit switch and on the microcontroller switch. So here we are using this adapter to give the power supply to the microcontroller. So it takes 230 volts of AC and provides 5 volts of constant DC with the help of step down transformer, rectification, filtration and regulation. So in the regulation, the 12 volts of DC will become 5 volts of DC. So now we are on in the kit. So now here you can see the 2 times LED blink and off section. So it means the code is working. So now on the battery pack power switch. So when you on the battery pack switch, then here you can see the vehicle is in running position, and here you can see the green color LED is in on position. So when you switch the grid section, then here you can see the red color light gets on and the AC bulb gets on. So from this 12 volts of DC, we are getting the 230 volts of AC. So whenever we we want to on the vehicle section, then just turn the push button like this, and here you can see the vehicle section is in on position. So like this project will be worked bidirectionally, AC to vehicle, vehicle to grid. So like this project will be worked. Thank you.